Hello guys, today we discuss the topic of friendship. We will speak about how to communicate with Russian people and how to make Russian friends. First point, good sense of humor. Russians love to laugh and have particular brand of humor, so it can be a bit different from yours. Embrace it and don't be afraid to crack a joke. Be open-minded and curious. Russians are very proud of their culture and history, so if you will show your interest to the culture of Russian people and you will learn a bit before to start this communication, it will help you to build a positive connection. Offer to share a meal. Maybe you've heard a lot of jokes about Russians, like how you invite Russian people and they try to share with you any food they have in the fridge. And this is truth. We love to share a meal with friends. When my friends visit me, no one will leave this house hungry. Anyway, I will give them everything I have. So offering to cook something, maybe share the dishes of your country will be also a very good idea to start friendship. Be respectful. As you know, especially in Russian language, we have special forms to show respect if you speak with older people, with people who you don't know. So it will be really cool if you understand it to avoid rude behavior. Learn some basic Russian. I always say that when you know the language of the person who you are in friendship, or maybe you date with someone, it help the person to feel like you are the same like he is. Even if you know some phrases, it make you already closer to his or her soul. Even if your knowledge is very small, it also show your interest to their culture. They will appreciate your effort, and of course they will help you maybe to learn some new phrases and improve your language skills. Don't be afraid to express your emotions. Russians aren't typically known for being overly emotional, but they do appreciate sincere emotions and feelings. If you feel comfortable, share your emotions and feelings. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Actually, Russians really love to discuss deep, complex topics, no matter what is it. So Russians are very honest people, so they will tell you really what they think about any topic, especially if they are your friends. Offer to do activities. Russians won't overshare activities, such as going to the theater, to the cinema, maybe skiing, anything, plane trips, going to the gym. Be open to try something new and create memories together. Be patient and understanding. Any friendship, it takes time to trust each other, yeah, and especially with Russian people, because Russian people at first can look a bit closed and maybe they don't trust you first time, but with time your Russian friend will tell you more and more, and you will have really a good friend. So guys, if you have any Russian friends, please write me in comments about your experience, or maybe you plan to have friends. And if you are interested in learning Russian language, as always, I give you the link and you can book Russian language classes with me. Have a good day. See you soon.